Alrighty guys, so I'm putting up a gate, 2 gates I got off of Amazon, and they are cut to size gates. So they're come as 72 inches long, but the poles you can cut to size. So I'm putting one of them, this is what it looks like. So it's Everbilt, expands from 30 inches to 72 inches. Sorry. So it's Everbilt, expands from 30 inches to 72 inches. Goes 4 feet high, so expansion kit. My opening, I've already opened it and got all the pieces out. So my opening is, I was trying to, oh these dogs. I was trying to do it in a hurry and I wasn't gonna film, but I was like, you know what, I might as well just film it. So, my gate is 54 inches wide, so it says to cut the pole 38 inches long. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm using a hacksaw. So it has several pieces with it. Comes with the gate pieces, the end metal pieces, and then these parts. Whoop, these parts. And those are the end pieces, and these are the poles. So we're gonna, I already cut one of them to size, and so I'll just cut the next one to size. And the other gate, I don't have to cut. So this one, I just have to cut the inner poles to the length I want, because my gate opening is not 72 inches. So let's do that. Let's do that here. Alright, so I cut this to 38 inches long. This is the inner poles that go together. See, cut that piece off. And now, cutting this one off. So we gotta get it started here. Once you get it started, it'll go fast, but you just gotta get it started. Skips around at the beginning. There we go. And that's to length. So let's put the pieces together and get our drill. Alright, now that I'm done hacksawing those pieces, we're putting the end pieces together, and then going to put self-tapping drill bits in the corners and start putting the wire on. So I already put these two on. So they just go on like that, the end pieces. Alright, and then put this piece on top. One goes one way. hours. People are getting off work right now. Alright, so we got, let's see if I can get this in here. Of course I drop it. Goodness gracious. There. Gosh. The other. Got that in. Let's do a close up here. There. Goodness. Takes a little muscle. Robin's barking. Is it Robin? They're barking at the rabbits.
She just sits there and jumps and tries to catch bees that are flying.
Oh, so she's not barking at the rabbits.
No, she's not barking at all. It's Boots.
Oh, Boots is
Boots is barking.
Boots.
Yeah.
You want to play with the babies? He just wants to play with the
I
babies.
know.
He's so good with the babies.
Yeah.
He loves to play with the baby bunnies. Bear thinks he wants to eat them. Boots just wants to play with them. I lost a screw now, you guys.
Roxy.
You made me lose a screw, Roxy.
Roxy, come.
Leave him alone. What did I do with this? Oh, it's right here. Thank goodness.
Leave him alone. No. Roxy.
Why you want to get him, huh? Why you want to get him?
What are you doing to her?
Hey,
Did you see her?
she's jumping. Robin's jumping for bees.
No bees.
She's getting the bees. Wait until she gets stung in the mouth. Oh, these cars are crazy. Get out of the way. I don't know why. Boots doesn't want to play with you right now, girl. Why does this thing keep on falling out? I need a magnetic one. Oh my gosh. Woo! One more. There. All done with that. I was laying on the ground and put the wire on. The truss wire. The top connects to the hinge side of the gate, and the bottom connects to the latch side. Hook the turnbuckle to the hinge and then hook the latch side to the hole. Use truss wire clamp to secure the latch side to truss wire. Okay, I don't know if I understood that. Let's see. So this, I know, says install the gate side, which there's a hole, I believe. Oh. All right. Doesn't matter which side's which right now, I guess. Okay. There. All right, that's on. There's a wire right here. How do I connect that? Okay, there's dead wire right here. Latch key. So there's something I put in. Alright, so it's this. Alright. Put this little S thingy. Okay. Hook the truss wire clamp securely to the latch side of truss wire. Tighten the truss wire using a turnbuckle when completed. Trim. Alright. Let's see how we tighten it. Figures aren't very good, so I'm thinking this goes right here. This goes right here. And we tighten this right here. Tighten that together. There we go. Honey! Honey! You want me to get a... You want to get me a buckle thingy? Alright, there's... Sean! You want to give me a monkey wrench? Alright, so next, this is all the chain link frame. So we get the chain link frame here. What are these? What are these? These are pulley thingies, I'm sure. Alright. Alright, so tighten the wire. I'm having a hard time cutting this. It's not cutting. I don't know why it's not. Can't get the extra wire off. Sean, help me. I can't get it. And while we're waiting, I think we put... How does this work here? Huh?
Where are my green wire cutters?
Green ones? I don't know.
They came in my pouch.
It's not in there?
No.
Well, you must have lost it.
No.
Oh, thanks.
That works good.
Oh, I don't need it now. Thank you. Thanks. I couldn't find anything sharp enough. Alright, so now we gotta put...
Watch out there, little antelope.
Install the lead fabric. Thread the tension bar through one side of the gate fabric and secure with gate clips. Roll fabric across gate frame and pull taut. Alright, let's do that. Let's pull taut. Taunting. How many of these do we have here? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5. Alright. We have 5 clips. So let's do this. So, go this way. Go this way, right? Alright, yeah, it has to go this way. Uh-oh. We got one piece that's not gonna go on anyways, so that one already came in twisted. Alright. Alright. Some of these things are kind of weird here. Hold on to your horsies. Okay, so I think we go this side. I think it's perfect. let's see. Alright, where do we put the clips here? So we got one clip right here. Okay. Now let's go this way. So we got one clip here. And 2, 3 across. So we got 3 across. 2 and 3. Let's go right here. There. And pull. And go to the other side. And the thread on this side. So it looks like we gotta take some of this off here. Take it off, you have to untwist. Just all gets twisted out. Alright, so okay, here we go. Twist, 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 twist. There we go. Alright, we got 3 links taken out. There, that's the ticket. Where these go? We're gonna have to do the rest of this tomorrow. As I can't see, it's getting dark. Alright, so it's the next day, and we gotta put these, so here's what we left off at. We gotta put these thingy-jiggers on. Right here, and on the bottom. Alright, so we tie that around the top and then twist this with wires on both sides. So we're going to do that. We're going to twist this, I guess. Twist this. No, we don't even need these thingy-jiggers. The wire is very bendable. Probably just to smooth out. Alright, I'm done putting on the ties. There's 5 on the top and then 5 on the bottom. The gate is complete. It's all done. Now we just need to put the hinges on. And that's what we're going to do next. Alright, so we just put these, are the hinges. Okay, it's going to go around like this. Let me try to get it in. Go around like that and then put the bolt through. Okay, so we're gonna do that. I'm doing this one-handed because there's a camera. Put the bolt through, you know, tighten it on the other side with the bolt. So we're gonna do that top and bottom. There's 2 of them. All right, so Sean.
What if I can't do it?
Honey, hold on, wait. All right, I gotta, hold on, let me talk. All right, so I have to cut this gate away Huh?
Want it close?
Yeah, and Sean's gonna do it for me because my muscles are weak when it comes to cutting things. Does it cut?
It on its own, yeah.
Cut real good?
Yeah.
I've been in the past, you know how hard it is to cut those, and I just thought it would be the same.
It's super easy.
Oh, good. Thank you. Thanks, honey.
It's harder to do this than just cutting.
Come to my rescue.
No, you could have done that.
But I thought it was gonna be like the past ones, where it's a struggle to even get it to cut.
Hey, have you watered that thing over there?
No, can you? All right. Well, Sean waters for me. I'm gonna finish this fence. All right. So I got T-post hinges. So these are cool. So there's two different pieces. There's a top piece and a bottom piece. And you slip them over your T-posts and they become a gate hinge. See? So this is the bottom piece. I gotta slip all the way over the T-post. And this is the top piece. Now there's a washer that goes on the bottom. And then this nail, you wedge in between these so they don't slip anymore. So we're gonna put those on. But first, I need to take off the strap here. The hinge, the gate strap. Just real fast. And then cut this away. Alright, so we're gonna get the bottom one on here and just slide it all the way to the bottom. There's the bottom piece. Let's see, splits right over. I did one before, and sometimes you have to just hammer it really good to get it on, but I didn't have to this time. So let's just get this going all the way down. One-handed. All right, we're gonna get it all the way down and then wedge it with the nail. All right, here's where do we want it? We want it all the way, I think right here. I want it right here. Yeah, man. Just wedge it with the nail in the back so it won't slip any further. There we go. I think that doesn't seem, some places, yeah, you just find the place where you need to wedge it. I'm not sure where it'll work. Where is it gonna work? Right here. There, found it. It's not working. It fell through. Some give you better stuff. These people gave me nails. I think, well, right here. Yeah. There we go. All right, that's good. And then we'll do the top one. Figure out where we want the top. And wedge this nail so it won't slip. But the top one faces down. Ha 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 ha. Forgot. So the top one's gonna face down. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna get Sean to help me hang this up.
I'm gonna hold it up.
I need you to just hang it on the bottom one while I figure out how far to go it is. So the bottom one.
Oh.
Alright.
Want me to hold it up?
I can move this to the side. You know, I probably shouldn't have tightened that already.
Is it too long?
Is it too low? Should we raise it? Can you raise it up more? Is it too low? Yeah.
Do you have a wheel?
Hold on. This is nails in my way here. Okay. Lift it. Like there.
Let's do that one or the other one.
There.
Yeah, that's fine.
Like that?
Yeah.
Can we open it? When you let go. I'm not. Oh, you can't let go yet.
Oh.
Let's just pretend. Now let go. Well, this is getting cold a little.
Right.
It's heavy. Should we do it, raise it up a little bit more? Yeah. Alright. Ready? Sorry. Sorry. It just pinches. I hate pinching my finger like that. I think you're raising. Hold on. Can you lift the gate up? There. I don't want too much. I don't want something to be able to get out either. You know? Is that good? Well, I don't know. Okay, now see? Yeah. Hold on. I could buy a wheel like that one.
Good.
That's what keeps that one from going.
I would.
Alright, let me lower it down because I don't like the gap right here.
No.
Wait, how? Lower it just a bit.
Yeah.
That's better?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, yeah, that's better. Whoops. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's good. There.
Sweet.
I probably could have left it long. I guess I could have left it a bit shorter, but we're doing it.
Put the wheel right here.
Put the wheel right
Right here.
here. Yeah. Alright.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'll order the wheel. To be continued on this. Alright, let me put something under it so it doesn't hang so much. Okay, we'll put these pipes. There. There we go. Alright, we're gonna buy a wheel for support because this is a long gate, it's not short. It's a long gate. Alright. Alrighty guys, so I went to the store and got some wheels to put on this gate over here so we can finish it up. It's really simple. It just bolts on the bottom of the gate and it should hold it up and roll real nicely. Alright, so your feed store should have these hopefully, or Tractor Supply might have them, I'm not sure. It just depends on where you're at. But that's what it looks like. And here's the bolts. And it just goes over the bottom of the thingamajigger and screws on. Alrighty guys, oh it's like 300 degrees outside. I'm all done with that gate. I have another one to do, but I was going to do it on the same video. But I'm just going to take a break. I have a lot of canning to do. So I'll get to that another day. We'll film that super fast, like fast forward. But here it is. Oh, let's see. So I had to put a wheel on so it doesn't hang, but it's perfect. Alright, so I have it tied so the dogs can't get in my garden area. This is my resting garden area. I'm letting the soil rest. I did plant my harvested my potatoes. I was filming that, but it didn't take, so y'all got taters just a little bit, maybe about 30. But anyway, so I got my asparagus growing on the side, but this I'll plant probably in the fall and spring. So there we go. Alright guys, so yeah, that's how you build a gate from scratch. That's how it's done. So we'll just talk to you later, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.